Big question. Is credit repair legit? Hey, welcome back. Enrique here with First West Financial. This is Enrique's Home Buyer channel where I get to talk about everything related to buying your home. Everything from credit, down payment programs, what kind of help you need, everything you need to know. But today we're going to talk about something that happens a lot. We're going to talk about credit repair. So many of you are thinking about buying a home, but you found out, or somebody told you, or somebody ran your credit, and they tell you, you know what, you have really low credit. You got to do something about it. So you don't know what to do. First of all, you go take matters into your own hands and you start paying off collections and doing things, which is something we do not recommend. A lot of people, you know what they do? They forget about it. They say, you know what, I don't want to deal with this. It's too much of a headache. I know I have bad credit. Too bad. We don't want you to do that either. So what alternatives do you have? Do you go file bankruptcy? Well, perhaps that's an option for a lot of people. But what happens a lot is people are watching TV or they're listening to the radio or they're on the internet and they realize that there are credit restoration or credit repair companies and they go, hey, you know what? I'm going to call these guys because they're going to repair my credit. You hear the commercials. We're going to fix your credit. You just pay us a fee and we're going to remove everything and you're going to be able to buy the house of your dreams. You're going to be able to get credit cards and fly to Europe and do all these things. Well, it's not as simple. The truth is it takes only a minute to ruin credit. You know, not paying a bill, allowing a car to go into repossession or foreclosure on a home. But it can take a decade to restore the credit. There are companies that will help you do that, but you have to pay close attention because not all companies are reputable. Companies that are going to ask you for a large amount of money up front, you want to stay away from that. You also want to stay away from companies that are making huge claims. They're going to clean your credit. They're going to remove bankruptcies. They're going to remove repossessions. You know what? That's not very easy to do. And a lot of them, either they're not going to do it, they're just lying to you, or they're going to do it in a way that is not legal. So you want to stay away from all that because it can really make things worse. I've spoken to a lot of people who have worse credit after going to a terrible company than afterwards. The first thing you need to do is you need to talk to a professional that can recommend someone that has been vetted, usually a mortgage broker. Mortgage brokers spend a lot of time dealing with credit, and we've had the opportunity to meet people along the way in companies that do a good job with credit restoration, and we know who the good ones are. For example, my company, we know of a company that does a phenomenal job. We have recommended dozens of people. They have come back with really good scores. They do a phenomenal job, and therefore we feel confident recommending them. They are well vetted. They have good ratings on Google, online. That's what you want to be able to do. So the best place to start is to talk to a mortgage broker and say, hey, where do you send your clients, right? Possibly the mortgage broker is going to take a look at your credit and he may say to you, hey, listen, you don't need credit restoration. You just need to do this, this, and this. I did that yesterday with one of my clients. You know, we realized that this person just needed to pay down some debt and the score was going to go up almost 70 points. So that was sufficient. So I want to encourage you to talk to a mortgage broker, find out who the best credit restoration companies are, do some work, homework, diligence, go online, check out online reviews. Usually Google reviews are pretty good, and get in with the right person. I hope this information has been useful. Don't forget to hit subscribe. We have tons of videos to help you become a better home buyer. I'm Enrique, First West Financial. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.